Here we go.
Here we go, baby.
Shooting the rapids. Yeah, there's a big rock right there. A little low in the water. Oh yeah, that's over the bow. Oh. You got more? That's a rock. Oh, this is gonna come over. Oh yeah, we don't have much clearance. Oh. That's pretty good. We were riding low, man. Did you see that?
We got a lot of weight up in the front.
Yeah, that's it. Did you see how that come over?
Huh?
Did you see how that come over? There's the oarsman back there.
Oh, yeah.
You want to get the rest of this?